This video will walk you through how to use the job map. Before watching this video, you should watch the job board walkthrough video to understand how our system works. The job map works in much the same way as the job board, except instead of seeing job posts in the form of a list, you can see them plotted out on a map. A blue border will mark the boundaries of the area you are searching. Job posts will appear as bubbles. They are geocoded in the back end of our system to the address provided in the job post, or if none is provided, will default to either the company's listed address, the geographic center of the region, or closest approximation based on the information included in the job post. You can zoom in and out by either scrolling or clicking the plus and minus arrows in the top right corner. You can move around the map by clicking and dragging, or you can click the directional icon in the bottom right corner, which will open up 4 arrows you can click to move north, south, east, and west. You can zoom in and out here too. On mobile, simply pinch to zoom and move around. The more zoomed out you are, job post bubbles will be grouped together into a single bubble showing you how many jobs are in that area. Zooming in or clicking on a group bubble will split those to show a more accurate representation of where those jobs are located. Once you've targeted an individual job post, clicking on the bubble will open up a modal pop-up with the job post information. If there are multiple positions open at the same company or in the same building, they will still appear as one bubble, and clicking it will open a sidebar which lists the jobs similarly to the job board. Either way, you will see the job post title, the company who posted it, a short description, a link that will take you to the original job post, and a link to share. You will also see the option to get directions to this address either by walking, driving, or taking public transit. If you're logged into your jobs portal, you will have the option to save the job post to your saved jobs list. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice you can use many of the same filters as the job board, so you can narrow down your search if you are looking for jobs with specific tags or in particular occupations, tier categories, job types, durations, and languages. Depending on how you are accessing the job map, there may be a variety of other map layers you can use as well. These can all be toggled on or off using the checkboxes. For example, maybe you're looking for a job you can get to using public transportation. The bus routes overlay can show you where the local public transportation system routes are. The same goes for bicycle routes. Other layers like employment agencies, apprenticeship training centers, childcare centers, and schools can help you visualize where to find additional support services that may be relevant to your job search. If you want more space to look around, you can hide the menu by clicking the arrow at the top left. Clicking it again will open it back up. The job map makes it easier to see what's out there, and when paired with the full jobs portal, it becomes an even stronger tool to help you plan your next move.